Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making aloe oil. The clips that you see now are me making the aloe vera powder. If you'd like to see the full video, please check the previous video that I created. Okay, so this video that I'm showing you is the proper way how to make aloe oil. We are creating the aloe oil through aloe vera powder. Now this way we are not compromising any of the nutrients, as the aloe powder was created with a low temperature and dehydrated. Aloe vera powder strengthens and repairs hair strands, contains many vitamins, and contributes to cell turnover, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. For this mix, I am using sunflower oil, but you can use any type of oil or any type of light oil like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil. As you see here, I'm fully whisking and incorporating the powder into the oil. And now I'm covering this oil, and you should let this sit for at least 1 week so that the oil is fully infused with the aloe powder. After the infusion process is completed, you now want to place the mix into a blender. This is a really important step because you would like to incorporate and blend all of that powder into the oil. So I just pulse it for about 20 seconds. And now we are going to strain our aloe infused oil with a cheesecloth, a nut milk bag, or any type of sort of mesh that you have. This oil is excellent for promoting hair growth and can be applied to the scalp and to the hair. If you've learned anything new and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you to everyone watching and have a blessed week ahead.